Hello everyone, transforming rambuba to handkerchief wrapper and blouse made so simple. Once again, welcome to Custom to Venture where we learn sewing skill. Okay, like one of my video I said before, you can restyle clothes from one style to the other. You can restyle your old clothes. If client bring, you can make money with it. Some people like some of their clothes so much that they want to rebatch it, restyle it, especially the wedding flowing gown. Some people prefer it. They rather want to restyle it instead of keeping it to they die, as some people will say. Okay, so here is a buba I want to convert to that blouse you saw in the video. If you look at where I'm taking my measurement from, we have already cut off the neck design. So to get the exact place where the shoulder measurement is, I came down on the neck design to get the size. Then I took my shoulder measurement, and what you see me taking is the armhole length. Okay, your armhole length from the shoulder to the place. That's what you saw me doing. And then this is taking the point measurement from my shoulder to my bust. Okay, that is it. And then the next thing I'll be doing is the on the bust. Okay, that is half length, the waist length, the waist measurement. Okay, before we go further, please like it, and if you're yet to subscribe, why not subscribe now? Okay, and that what you see me do is the where I want the waist to be. Okay, and then the circumference of the bust. Of course, by now you should have your circumference. Even this the measurement is just a bit, slightly a bit reduced. It's still the same person taking it. Okay, so your measurement of waist, you take your measurement for waist, and then that is the under bust. Sorry. Then the next thing you take your cuff. What you see me doing is the shoulder slant just 1 inch lower. Okay, if today is your first time of coming across my video, thank you so much. You're in the right place. Please do like it, and let's share together, and let's meet at the comment section. Okay, ask your question, and by the grace of God I'll be there to answer it. So what you see me doing is cutting out the measurement. Just cut out the shoulder measurement, the armhole, and then you just follow the pattern you have cut. By now you ought to get your own measurement, and then just go ahead and input your necessary measurements. So what you saw me do is join the line together so that we know exactly where I'm cutting. Okay, sewing business is very interesting. Okay, especially if you know how to go about it. If you have not watched my 15 skills, 15 business you can make with your sewing business, you need to watch that video. There's so many there. How you can be sewing children wear, how you can be sewing uniform for companies, for hotels, how you can be sewing bag, tote bag. There's so many of them there. Maybe you have not even had the idea before. Okay, so what you saw me taking now is my sport bust span. Okay, and then at the end of it you notch it so that you know where you are going to take your darts from. The bust span is where you take your dart from. Okay, so I'm good to go with this one. Okay, that's just it. Okay, what some people stay on is sewing for companies. In fact, wedding gown, in that might you see it how to do it. I will drop the card on this place so that you can wash it if you have not washed it. Okay, and so the next thing you see here is the wrapper we are going to be using, and the wrapper we are sewing handkerchief wrapper, please. Handkerchief wrapper. I have to say handkerchief wrapper. So there are 2 in 1 in this video. There are 2 in 1 in this video, but there's another video where I did proper the full video of the handkerchief wrapper. For all the same, you can still get the handkerchief wrapper here. So just like what you know, the normal way you sew your handkerchief is that you fold it into 4 like this, and then you can go ahead and fold it into 4 like this. That is, this one is already 8, so it's going to give you a larger measurement of the waist. And because that's what we want to do, we want to get wrapper, you know, the wrapper is going to be a bit larger than the normal waist, so that we can overlap as we tie our normal wrapper. Okay, so that's what you see me cutting now. I cut up this. Right now you ought to have known your measurement of waist, so you can double it or 1.5. Like the one I did here is 1.5. Okay, because I still put together, and I'm going to put my rope that I will use to overlap the wrapper. Of course, you know, normal wrapper you overlap it. Okay, so and if you are yet to wash her, I say you can put on your fabric on manicure. In case you don't have manicure, check my channel. You see how you can use AI to get your manicure and put your cloth on your manicure. Okay, so what you see me do is that cutting out the exact. So you can see now it's properly cut, and you can see it's really very wide. You don't have to make your own as wide as this, though I will be putting pleats instead. Okay, I'll be putting pleats instead. So you put this aside. Your handkerchief is almost ready. I decided to increase the length of the fabric, so I put a band. The band I'll be using to tie it. Okay, you know, you are going to either fittings or you put together any one of this. Okay, so this is the stripe I'll be using. I have about 5 inches. That is double. As you like it, you can make your own layers, you can make your own. Okay, so that is I'll be attaching it to it, and then of course leave the end of the rope for tying of the wrapper, the handkerchief wrapper. Okay. So you have to cut one end of the one you cut, so that would be the end, the tying end. Because by the time you put your strap, you have to tie it. So put together, put your pleating. So let's go. And here it is ready to get it. You can see it now. So we just tie it as a wrapper. So it's not just handkerchief skirting here, but you can make what handkerchief wrapper. It's as simple as that. And so the next thing is, if you don't have manicure, don't worry. But if you have manicure, put it on your manicure. In absence of manicure, it has easy. You can see that I came out very well. I came out very well. And here, have you liked it? And here is the blouse. Okay, put the blouse up, put a sleeve. Of course, you can put any type of sleeve you want there, or any type of sleeve. So